A native fish in its native range is really special. My favorite part of the job is getting out in the field and handling fish and seeing them in their native habitat. Trout Unlimited Canada's mandate is conservation, restoration, and protection. It's why I work there. It's why I love doing what I do. And having the resources to be able to do that kind of work across the landscape is really meaningful to me.
The three principles that TransCanada looks at from an environmental side are stewardship, protection, and performance. Through innovative partnerships, we can find key solutions to environmental issues. Our partnership with Trout Unlimited helps us invest in projects such as opening up fish habitat that's been lost or blocked for native species such as the Athabasca rainbow trout in this area.
Athabasca rainbow trout are Alberta's only native rainbow trout, and they've been considered endangered. Actually, they have the same conservation status as panda bears. So globally significant species, and they have been declining in numbers and in range for decades.
I've coordinated studies for years, and part of that has been fish and fish habitat studies, and it's very interesting for me to participate in the actual hands-on work with the fish rescue. The annual cycle here that the irrigation canal has to be drained annually, and without this rescue we would lose a lot of the fish population. We're providing support to a very good corporate partner that has limited resources, and we get the opportunity to help salvage fish for sure, but we're also giving a bit of extra horsepower to a really good organization that's providing the country with a great service in terms of fish habitat and maintaining our natural resources.
From this canal, we usually catch a few thousand, maybe 3,000 or 4,000 fish. We're actually really lucky. We have so many wonderful volunteers that come back year after year. Some of them have been doing this longer than I have.
It's a good event to participate in. I will definitely want to do this again. It's been a beautiful day.